you are highly welcome to my Facebook page. Into this tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this expression. So now we call this a rational expression because we have the numerator and what and the denominator, and at the same time you can call this one, we can call this algebraic fraction, okay, because of the the letters that is there. So the question said is to simplify this. So what are you going to do? So whenever they ask us to simplify, it means we want to take this expression to its lowest form, that is to reduce it. So now if we want to reduce this, you can see that this numerator can be expressed in what as a difference of 2 square. You can have this to be x plus 5, then x minus what minus 5, then over. So this one also, when you look at this, you can see that x is what x is common. We have x here, we have x here, so we can factorize x out. We have x into bracket, so what is left here is 5, then minus what is left here is what is x. So now, so what's the next thing to do? So we want to see if the cancellation is allowed here. So now what are you going to do? So now, before that, I consider that we have 5 minus x here, then we have x minus 5 here. So is there anything we can do to this one, to this 5 minus x? So now we can see that 5 minus x is equals to, I'm going to use minus a. So now when you look at this now, you can see that minus times x, we are going to have what? We are going to have minus x, and minus times minus 5, we are going to have what? We are going to have 5. Is that understood? So therefore, we can say that 5 minus x is equivalent to what? Is equivalent to minus into bracket x minus 5. Are you following? So that from there, so we continue from there, we have what? We have x plus 5, okay, then x minus 5, okay, then divided by, we are going to write this minus a, because 5 minus a is same thing as what? Is same thing as this. So we are going to have this minus a multiplied by the x we have there already, then 5x minus what? X minus 5. So now when you look at this, you can see that this will actually cancel this. So we have what? We have a solution to be what? X plus 5, divided by what? X. So what about this minus? So we can take or put the minus here. Are you getting it now? So therefore we have minus x plus 5 over what? Over x to be what? This is our solution to the what? To the problem. So we can actually what? We can actually reduce this further, okay, because this is how we can reduce it to have what? To be in a single fraction. So that's going to be the end of this tutorial. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page so that you'll have access to more of our amazing videos. Thank you for watching.